Nobody enjoys cleaning up the yard, so why not make this task a lot easier with one of these handy leaf blowers? A leaf blower is a great time-saving tool that will help you clear your yard quickly. But like most technology, it is hard to know what leaf blower is the best for you. So if you are looking for a suitable piece, then we can help you with some of the finest available on the market. Go through the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. The Husqvarna 350BT is a unique, lightweight backpack leaf blower with the large landowner in mind. This popular 50 CCS mid-size blower features a new, powerful X-Torque engine for increased power, better fuel economy, and reduced emissions. Its harness and controls are ergonomically designed for high capacity and ease of use. The offset handle makes the blow forces more comfortable to control by preventing the arm from being pulled downwards. Besides, its padded harness and hip belt are shaped to fit the contours of the operator. With its 2.1 horsepower engine and maximum power speed of 7,500 RPM, this blower can generate wind speeds up to 180 miles per hour. Plus, its high-volume 42.27-ounce tank can sustain hours of use. It also features a cruise control function that maintains a constant fan speed, allowing you to complete big jobs without having to regulate your blower's speed continuously. Next on the list, we have the DEWALT DCBL 720PI 20-volt max lithium-ion XR brushless blower. This blower provides clear debris with an air volume of up to 400 cubic feet per minute at 90 miles per hour. With an ergonomic and extremely lightweight design, the blower is easy to control and minimizes stress on the arm. The variable speed trigger and speed lock give the user full power control. It offers up to 400 CFM of air volume at 90 miles per hour to clear debris. This blower ensures a low noise during operation with 61 dB, making it ideal for noise-sensitive regions and properties. However, its lightweight and ergonomic design maximizes control and minimizes stress on your arm. Clear leaves and debris fast and efficiently with the all-new BLACK+DECKER LB700 leaf blower. It offers up to 180 miles per hour of power, and a 7-amp motor gets tough jobs done quickly. And built-in cord retention prevents frustrating interruptions while you work. It also features built-in cord retention, prevents frustrating interruptions during cleanup. This unit is lightweight at only 4.4 pounds for easy one-handed use. On the other hand, this blower is ideal for clearing debris from lawns, driveways, sidewalks, and decks. The Greenworks 24012 single-speed electric blower uses a 7-amp motor, which means no harmful emissions. It can reach speeds of 160 miles per hour to collect grass clippings and leaves in piles. The blower tube comes in 2 pieces and measures 20 inches long. The conveniently integrated cord lock helps prevent damage to the power socket from accidental tugs and pulls during operation and keeps the unit powered until the job is finished. Its durable construction and powerful performance make this blower an ideal choice for homeowners who want to not only have a clean yard, but a neat running tool as well. However, its line of tools provides reliable performance and dependability and offers a clean running alternative to gas-powered tools. The Hitachi RB24EAP handheld leaf blower is one of the lightest and most powerful blowers in its class. It is quick and straightforward to start and features a low-emission Purifier 2 engine and large throttle lever for easy operation. The exceptional balance and lighter weight make it ideal for small cleanup, while it has the performance potential for larger. This blower uses a 23.9 cc commercial-grade engine. It features Purifier low-emission 2-stroke engine technology, a large 2-finger throttle lever, and an auto-return stop switch. Further, it offers an air volume of 441 cubic feet per minute and delivers air speeds up to 170 miles per hour for effective debris removal. The leaf blower's auto-return stop switch automatically resets to the on position to simplify startups for further convenience. Keep your driveway, patio, and walkways clear with the WORX WG520 Turbine 600 electric leaf blower. Equipped with turbine fan technology and high-capacity air volume, it delivers a powerful performance with up to 600 CFM, generation of air speeds up to 110 miles per hour, and a variable speed control system allows this handheld leaf blower to tackle even challenging jobs. Its dynamic airflow design forces air in a streamlined motion to deliver consistent and powerful results. With the help of hyperstream air, the nozzle creates full force and withstands rugged conditions. This electric leaf blower also features a cord retainer, keeping an extension cord securely connected as you move around your property. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.